Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. As you could see from the title, I'll be working with Wig Fever. This is my first time ever working with this brand, and in today's video I'll be wearing their 4x7 180 density HD lace closure unit. It is in 26 inches and silky straight the texture, and as you guys can see, we are living for this shine. I have yet to put any product in it whatsoever, so honestly, so far so good, and I will speak to you more in the review portion of this unit so I can give you the real tea on this hair. But as for right now, I'm living for the length. It's very much true to length. It's very sleek, very shiny, and this lace was so easy to work with. I showed you guys how to do this quick and easy glueless install with this HD lace. Super invisible, easy to melt. I only used one product and it just sealed the deal. So if you'd like to see what I did, just keep on watching. And before I get started, Wig Fever sent over so much goodies. They did not ask me to do this, but girl, let me go ahead and show you how branding is done. So you get your beautiful Wig Fever box. It comes with a care card, shows you how to get discounts after purchasing. You also have your Wig Fever wig bag. So once I'm done with this gorgeous wig, I'm gonna put this wig up in this bag, honey. This satin bag. They have a satin bonnet with the Wig Fever brand name on it. They also sent a Wig Fever melt band. They sent a scarf. They sent HD wig caps, 2 of them, and they also sent a rat tail comb. So honestly, you are getting the full beginner starter pack for your Wig Fever unit, and I'm loving it here. So let's jump into today's tutorial so I can show you guys how to get your glueless unit from Wig Fever looking like this.
you never heard. I left a black of rappers dead and burned. The verse for me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us take $2,000 every bird. I'm on the purge, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. And I observed just how you curved and told a nigga that they got away from it. I know you ain't hard to man. I'm balling on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm shining all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man. Me at Honda. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, not two. We just say a word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's what I knew. Yeah, I know. Perch up, I can make a brick walk. Up, no, down, so. Make it a picture walk. Hit it with a little water. Stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward. Book a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready come down. That's a lot of sugar and some bread. I got a lady, she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in a limo, she gon' ride. I see the plane and shot it like fries. I'm in London with some big thighs. No fries, she shakes with the fish thighs. Did your mama tell you something on fire? Stop rock and roll. I've been on the road like a pair of scanners of stop and go. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch, you ain't demon. Got your broad in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start it. We leave them on the cement. Clap, clap. Me at Honda. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, not two. We just say a word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's what I knew. Yeah, I knew. I crush down your mind. Put it all down, play side. Follow side. And I might down. Stick it all down, play side. Follow side. With a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward. Book a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready come down. That's a lot of sugar and some bread. I got a lady, she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in a limo, she gon' ride. I see the plane and shot it like fries. I'm in London with some big thighs. No fries, she shakes with the fish thighs. Did your mama tell you something on fire? Stop rock and roll. I've been on the road like a pair of scanners of stop and go. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch, you ain't demon. Got your broad in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start it. We leave them on the cement. Clap, clap. Me at Honda. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, not two. We just say a word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's what I knew. Yeah, I knew. I crush down your mind. Put it all down, play side. Follow side. And I might down. Stick it all down, play side. Follow side.
Alright, you guys, so this gorgeous wig is from Wig Fever, and I'm finally finished. Today I'm just going for that relaxed edges, never gave lace type of vibe. And oh my god, this is my first time working with this company, Wig Fever, and let me tell you, Wig Fever, this wig is the truth. This is one of the silkiest straight hair wigs I've gotten in a while, like a hot minute. Oh my god. And it is 180 density in 26 inches. This wig that I'm actually wearing is their 4x7 180 density 26 inch HD lace closure unit. It is gorgeous. This HD lace is perfection. Can we tell it's a lace up here? It's really giving a leave out, and I really ate that. Like the blend, everything, the lace, I have to give it to Wig Fever. They have such good quality hair. Look, like, are you guys seeing? I feel like the quality speaks for itself. I'm not getting flyaways, I'm not getting tangling. I can run my hand through this hair very vigorously. I'm not getting any shedding. Like, I've yet to get some shedding. Not one shed hair between my fingers, and that's absolutely insane. So oh my god, Wig Fever, you definitely did that. This wig is gorgeous, and I literally can't stop saying it. It fits really nice and snug to my head. The hair just lays flat, everything is flat and perfect. We don't have any bulky wig going on in the back. It's giving scalp realness. So thank you so much to Wig Fever for coming through with the good lace, good hair, good everything. This unit is chef's kiss. The adjustable band is doing me justice in the back, and I love it here. So thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to purchase, definitely don't forget to go ahead and click those links in the description box for you to do so. And as always, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.